Hey everyone, it's Ultranavirus here. This is a video of me solving the Rubik's Cube by Arnold Rubik, and let's get started right away. Go. I really shouldn't be talking in this stupid, idiotic accent. Yeah. Uh, I really am not a speedtuber whatsoever, so hold off on some mean comments or you're like a world record holder. Right though? Yeah, I highly don't suggest you trying to learn how to solve this by watching this. It's just me solving it. I probably will post a video on how to solve it little later. Yeah. This what you guys are seeing is basically mirrored than what I'm seeing, and like also backwards. So it kind of might be awkward to, and also just clarifying, this is not an prepare solve. Solved. Yeah. I will see you guys later. Bye. Subscribe, please. Somebody, please.